So, congratulations on writing your gig title. What I really want to help you do in this video is write your gig description. So you can think of this like your sales script. You really want to be clear what you're offering and also what you're not offering. It's important to do this to convince people to click the order now button, but it's also important so that you don't get a lot of bad reviews later on when people say, oh, I thought this was included, I thought that was included, this didn't meet my expectations. That's a bit of a nightmare, and that's what leads to bad reviews and soaks up a lot of your time. So you want to be clear in the description what you're offering, what you're not offering, and also then at the same time persuade them and get them excited about the result that you're offering. So that's why it's important to write this description well. You know, the easiest way to write this is to follow the process that we've been following all the way through. I would encourage you to look at maybe 5 or 6 competitors and really literally copy and paste nice phrases, nice structures, things that they point out, and put them in your description. I guarantee you will have a better description if you take the best aspects from 5 or 6 gigs and just put them into your description. Very, very simple, but you're leveraging what's already in the marketplace. You're modeling what's been successful, and that's the easy way to do it. And then think about, how can I make it 25% better? What else could I add in to make it more persuasive and clear? Saying that though, I just want to give you a couple of examples and really help you get kicked off in this. I always start my gigs by saying what people get for the basic gig. So for $5, I will read through your blog posts and write one comment on each of those posts, delivered within 1 day. That's the result for the basic gig. Really frustrates me when I'm on Fiverr and I can't find out what I'm getting for $5. So you want to be clear on that. Looking at this other example, the logo design one, you can see it says, I will design 2 awesome logos for your business or website. Here's what we're delivering for $5. He makes it clear. I think he's done well there. He's also, saying exactly what he is offering here: formats, time frames, 2 modifications, money back guarantee. That's great to include, even though it's spelled wrong there. He also says what he's not offering. So that's really good, and he's filled out all this stuff here. Similar to me here as well, I've said what I'm offering. I've given examples, exactly what people are getting, and 50 words that contain relevant keywords. So again, just being very clear what you're offering in the description. So that's really it. Now go off and look at maybe 5 or 6 competitors. Take the best pieces out of them, the structures, the language, the turn of phrase, etc., and put them into your description, and then add your own little 25% improvement. I'd encourage you to start off the gig by putting in, $4 or $5, you will get X, Y, Z. So best of luck with that, and remember, progress, not perfection. We just need to get it done. That's the most important thing.